Hey folks, hey, this is Wesley Virgin. As promised, I am going to show you what I've been doing lately to basically click on my mouse here. Okay, that's all you have to do. And in the past, in about, let me see, this 10/31/2021 and November 1st, which is today here. Happy birthday, David, which is my son. I've earned $5,000 here, okay? I'm out there scavenging the internet and finding new ways, easy ways for you to make money online. Because I do the same things. But what I do is I share it with you. I'm not keeping all these gems and secrets to myself. That makes sense? So all I ask from you, big head, is to smash the like button, okay? Share the video and sub to the channel. That's all I ask you to do. But if you don't do that, you don't want to share, you don't want to like it, it's cool. But I'm still going to give you the value because I believe people deserve to know what people are doing online right now. Is the best time to be on the computer, online. And what's crazy about this, all you have to do is click the mouse here, okay? I know that sounds crazy, but I'm gonna show you proof. And let me do a refresh just in case some of you may think, well, this is not real here. So just did a refresh, and if you can see right here, well, that's more money now. Because honestly, every time I click my mouse here, just using these steps that I'm going to show you here, I'm making this money over and over again, okay? So first step, you need to go to what is called Warriorplus.com. Okay, Warriorplus.com. Now listen, many of you don't know about this website. You know, many of you may know about Digistore, which I've made tens of millions of dollars on, or ClickBank.com, which I've, again, earned tens of millions of dollars on. But Warriorplus is like a hidden gem that internet marketers are making a bunch of money, and I'm gonna tell you why here. So first step is you need to do free sign up. And the great thing about this is all over the world, okay? It's all over the world here. Put in your username, password, an email address, and feel free to do this with me. Like, just don't sit there and watch me. Like, take your hands out of your pocket, pull out your laptop, iPad or iPhone, and do this with me live here, okay? And you want to create a free account. It's very easy to do. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into my Warriorplus account here. This is my dashboard. And if I go, as you can see here, these are sales, okay? These are sales that are coming in every single second, every minute here, just by clicking my mouse here. And I'm sure how easy it is to do it. This is my ID, 3 million per month here. Okay, so you want to go to affiliate and go to offers here, okay? So if you go to affiliate and go to offers here, this is basically an affiliate marketplace. But the difference between Warriorplus and a lot of these other websites, the conversions are high here, which means is a brand new person that knows nothing, listen to me, knows nothing from scratch. People ask me, Wesley, what would you do if you had no money right now? Well, I would go here, honestly, because these offers convert very well. So you can see here we have Google Play, Prime, Stack, all these offers. All you need to do is go here and just request it. Request to promote the offer, request to send traffic. You're gonna see a screen like this. You click the word request to approve, and within 24 to 48 hours, you will be approved, right? Which means now you are an official affiliate for the product here, okay? Now listen here. You may be thinking to yourself, well, Wesley, how do I get traffic? Before we get into that, I want you to comment below, I can do this. One, if you still can hear my voice, because sometimes my audio on my iPhone doesn't work, smash the like button here. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you an autopilot way to do this. I mean, it's crazy. You could do this on autopilot. I mean that you can vacation around the world, do whatever you want to do. You can quit your job. You can have this running on autopilot. But I'm just showing you the way if you want to do it manually, which I do suggest. I did it manually. And as you can see here, I'm up $5,568. Let's do a refresh. See if I made any more money here. Let me see here. Yeah, still $5,568 in 24 hours here. Okay, so listen. So what you need to do is you got to get your link. So say if we want to promote something like Unleash Free Sales Machine or whatever. Doesn't really matter the offer. You want to go here and click on Get Link here. You're going to see another screen that pops up here, and that's going to be your affiliate link. Now, this is how you get paid over and over and over again. Are you listening? This is how you get paid with this link here, okay? And listen, I'm gonna show you exactly where to get the traffic from and how I'm doing this $5,000 here in the past 24 hours from my bedroom, okay? So listen here, okay? Take this link here, okay? Copy it, okay? And then what you want to do is open up a new tab here. Open up a new tab, okay? See here, and go to bit.ly.com. Go to bit.ly.com. And Bit.ly just allows you to shorten or disguise your URLs, right? No one wants to see a huge link that says Warriorplus. They're like, what is that? Is that a scam? I mean, what is that site there, right? So you click on the word shorten here. And as you can see here, that is a Bit.ly link, right? Copy, it's shorter, it looks sexy, it looks nice. And this is something that you're gonna click on to make cash every single day if you do this correctly here. So listen up. So the next step you want to go to is your Facebook account, okay? Are you with me? Are you guys with me so far? Give me a second, I got a burp. Okay, I'm good now. Check it out. So go to your Facebook account. It's free to do. And listen, this is exactly what I did. I'm not showing you anything that I didn't do. I did this. I didn't spend any money, even though I got plenty of money to spend. I didn't spend any money. I've learned how to make money organically online where I don't have to spend money from my marketing budget, okay? So you go to search Facebook, type in make money online here. Are you with me? Make money online, okay? And all you want to do is you want to scroll down to where it says groups here, okay? Groups here. And you just want to join every group, okay? As you can see, I'm already in the groups because I've already did this 24 hours ago, okay? And I'm going to show you exactly what I did in these groups that have allowed me to have a flood of sales. They just keep coming, honestly. Or I probably will close with over $10,000 by the end of tonight just from doing exactly what I'm about to show you with these groups here, okay? So you want to join all these groups. And I suggest to join about 100 groups, 50 to 100 groups. It doesn't take any time. You take your little finger. You see that finger there? See that? Just click your mouse here and just join, right? Join all these groups, 100 plus groups. The more groups that you join, the more money that you will make on autopilot, okay? Now, listen. Now, I know what you're thinking. Wesley, I love you. Do you love me yet? I mean, do you love me yet? Give me some love. Hit that love button, baby, right? Because I'm giving these keys away that people charge you to do. I'm giving away for free. So show me some love, right? Young black kid giving the game away for gratis. Look, check it out. So you click on one of the groups here, okay? Now, you may be thinking, okay, Wesley, what do I post? Because I post links before, it don't work. Exactly, don't do that. If you post a link, you will be banned, okay, from Facebook or the group. So what you want to do here, you want to scroll down and you want to scroll down to a post that got a bunch of engagement here, okay? Scroll down here. So let's go to another group here. Let me see. Let's go to this group here, okay? We want to go to a group that gets a bunch of engagement here, okay? See, all these people are posting different images, but we want to go to an image that's getting a lot of engagement here, okay? So scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. Okay, that's pretty good. See this guy, he just took a picture of money. He put up to his face here. You could do that. Just take money. You can take fake money. It doesn't matter. Take money, put it on your face, and see what he tagged here. But this is this is terrible. He shouldn't do that. But what he did is, are you from Dubai, India? But what I would do, okay, and you see what this person is doing right here? No, don't do that. Click link to earn. No, you don't want to tell people to click the link. You want to tell people, hey, you want to earn an extra $600, right? Earn an extra $600. No skill is needed. Nothing is needed at all. I want to show you guys an example because all I want you to do is model, okay? Come at the word model. Modeling will make you rich. If you try to be innovative, you may stay poor and average for the rest of your life here, okay? So here we go. Let's scroll down here. As you can see, a lot of people are already doing this. The reason why you want to find a post that gives good engagement, because you're going to duplicate it. Duh, right? No need to create recreate the wheel here. You just want to do exactly what they've done before. So I want to go to all the groups. The thing is, I want to go to a group that I know that's already working. Okay, let me scroll down here. Okay. So listen, what you can do basically, and to make it easy, you do a post. Anyone wants to earn an extra $1,000 per week. No skills, no money, nothing is really needed. Ask me how. Okay, that's it. Does that make sense? Ask me how. All right. Are you guys with me here? Ask me how. That's it. Because people, what they're going to do is below, they're going to comment how. And I want to show you guys an example here. See if I can find one. Let's go to this group here. Can you guys see this? See this guy? See? Took a picture with the money. Take a picture with money in the hand here. See that? It's a testimonial. But what you can do is you can post this. Let me keep it very simple. This is all you got to do. When you go to this group and say, hey, does anyone during the Christmas season, holiday season, wants to make an extra $500 really quickly? No skill is necessary. You can be young or old. Ask me how. What's going to happen? Listen, people are going to comment below in the comment section. How? Now, this is what you do. This is what a lot of people do incorrectly, is they start messaging people in the comment section. No, you're going to get banned. You want to reach out to that person personally and say, hey, I see that you inquired about the free information here. So what I want to do is, okay, see this guy right here? He got some engagement. So what you want to do is say, hey, here's a way that I've been utilizing to make some extra cash for the holiday. And you leave your bit.ly link, which is you got from here, right? And you just send it to them. You do this over and over again, okay? You reach out to the person personally, okay? Personally. The thing is about this, if you get, look, let me give you an example. Look, if this group here, let me show you a group that has a ton of people. This group has 107,000 people. If you got 100 people at a minimum, at a price point at $30, that's $3,000. Does that make sense? That's what I did. I went to every group. I made a post in all these different groups here. I did more groups, by the way. And I left the same message. Hey, does anybody need any extra cash up to about $600 this holiday season? Ask me how. Well, I had 1,000 people to do that. So what I did was I contacted them directly and said, hey, my name is Wes. You know, during the Christmas season, it's tough. I hope this helps you. Here's the link. Thank me later. So I had so many people click that link. And as you can see here, I'm up $5,000 and $568 here. Smash the like button if that made perfect sense to you. Now, some of you may say, well, Wesley, see I made more money here. $5,585 because the money is coming in every minute. Now listen, what if there's a way to do this on autopilot? What if it was a way to basically, by clicking your mouse seriously through this automated software that I just discovered? I'm not going to say I knew about this. I discovered it because I'm always searching and scavenging the internet to make money easily. What if there's a way you could basically use software that would do it on autopilot? It would do everything I just showed you automatically. Well, the link is right below in my description here. And all you got to do is click the cash. Oh my God, I put the wrong link, folks. I'm going to fix that link, but let me do this. Let me go ahead and put the link below here. Give me a second. This is where you go if you want a software that does it for you on autopilot. And yes, I use the software. I'm going to be honest with you. Yes, I'm cheating the system like a lot of people are cheating the system here. And I want you to cheat the system as well so you can leave your job and get paid so you can go on vacation. You don't have to worry about any money. Here's the link right here. www.wesleyvirgin.com/click-cash. Let me go ahead and write that down. Give me a second. www.wesleyvirgin.com. Okay. Click cash. This is the exact software that I use here today to earn a bunch of money here. There's the website. Go ahead and screenshot that, folks. Can you guys see that? Go there. Go ahead and type that in manually. If you want automated software, it will do it for you. When I used it, it blew my mind. I've been doing everything by hand. I've been hiring people. But this software here, specifically for this, it just makes a ton of money. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to give you guys more videos because there's a bunch of software out there that you don't have to do any work. You just set it up one time. You click your mouse, click the button, and the money comes in. It really works. Do it. Try it for yourself. You don't have to try it. I don't care. You can do it the long way, the easy way, the hard way, but I do suggest to give it a go. Thank you, guys. Smash the like button if you got any value. Sub to the channel. Thank you for being a follower. Remember, this is Wesley, billion dollar virgin. Let's go. Later, folks.